Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to open camera when your phone screen is locked. Okay, see, I am locking my phone. By this status, I would like to open camera. So without unlocking your phone, how you can open your camera? Okay, so let's learn it. Okay. So first of all, you have to do some settings. Okay, go to the camera in your phone. Okay, go camera in your phone and go to camera settings here and go to more settings, and here you will find one option called quick action for camera. Just turn on this. So if you turn on this, you can double press the volume down button to launch camera when the screen is off. Okay, this is not available during music playback or when the IR sensor is blocked. Okay, so now I am locking my phone. So what I got to do to open camera? Just press volume down button twice together, twice quickly. Okay. See, yes, camera is opened, but my phone screen is locked. Okay, see, it is in locked. Okay, again I am showing what you got to do. Just double press this volume down button quickly. Okay, yes, camera is launched and I am taking a picture, and also you can see the captured image, and you can go back, and if you go to other screen, you need to unlock your phone. Okay, so what you have to do for setting this one? Go to the camera, then go to camera settings, and there you will find a quick launch for camera. Okay, just to go to enable it. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.